I just pulled up to the dumpster behind Aldi, and as I'm shutting my lights off, 2 cars have now passed, possibly 3. So I'm thinking some of the employees might be coming in, so we gotta act fast if there's anything in here. Oh man, saw a woman get out of one of the cars, and she's walking towards the front door. We gotta act really fast if there's anything in here. Lights on it. That had to be one of the fastest lights in history. See you at home.
All right, Dumpsterinos and Frugalistas, we have a nice, well-rounded grocery haul to get the week off to a great start. So let's dive right in. We've got eggs with a little extra Mandalorian orange. Little stowaway there. We've got your 6-pound bag of sugar and a box of rotini pasta. We have a $10.30 package of hamburger meat with the use or freeze by date of 3/13. It's actually quite pink. It's just kind of hard to see because of the weird reflection from the tree and the sky above. Mild Italian style chicken sausages. We have got a mystery can. The size and, well, the shape, the roundy shape of it and the size makes me think canned chicken or maybe tuna, not sure. Loaded potato tots, hash brown potato bites mixed with cheese and a hint of bacon in a crispy coating. We've got some bananas, nectarines, tomatoes, a pepper, an apple. We've got our favorite mini cheesecake. Love that. We've got a great big package of chicken thighs. Ooh, that's almost 6 pounds. We've got your take and bake 5 cheese extra large pizza. Yum. 2 packages of jumbo romaine hearts. We have a box of sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast biscuit sandwiches. There's supposed to be 4 in the box. This is what they look like. And Frugal Daddy rescued 3 of them. We've got your Clancy's pretzel rods. Those are great, dipped in honey mustard. We've got the weird pink strawberries that are actually ripe at this color. These are not unripened red strawberries. They're supposed to be pink. I know, it's weird. It's off-putting. We have blackberries and 3 packages of the strawberries we know and love and recognize. There you have it. It's a pretty little decent grocery haul to get the week going. But wait, there's more. Frugal Daddy found this amazing little sewing machine in the dumpster, so we're going to give it a try. I have set it all up and, you know, threaded it and everything. And we'll see how it works. I have a sewing project right here. Part of the great living room makeover. I'm making more covers, you know, sort of exchangeable, washable covers for throw pillows. So, let's see how we do with this little guy. So I have sewn these different fabrics together, and what we're going for is the type of pillow cover that wraps around thusly and crosses over, you know, in the back like a pillow sham. The tension is a little messed up. I think we need to adjust the. Wait, what's that do? Oh, that's the side to side thingy. Wait a minute. Boop, boop, boop. Dear, are you doing Sudoku in the bathroom again? What's happening? What's the problem with you? Why won't you turn? Oh, you're a weird little machine. Come on, dude. Alright, something's happened here. I've got a bobbin issue. Hold on. This got all jacked up on the back. Wait a minute, you're not. Oh, I broke the needle. I broke the needle. Well, we almost got through this sewing project. I have to put a new needle in. All right, let's put the new needle in. Thusly. Get up in there. We screw that tight. Oh, I'm gonna have to thread it again. That was the hardest part. We should get a little pet monkey and train it to thread needles for me.
I can do it.
Well, that would involve you getting off the sofa, wouldn't it? I wasn't having this trouble before, but now it surely is. And it's getting irritating and... with it anymore. I don't want to play with it. I'm going to get out my real sewing machine because this is just getting too irritating. Now, since we made the cover small for this to make it kind of squishy and puffy, it helps to fold it in half to kind of try to jam it in there, get it all the way to the end. So you get the corners into the corners. You want nice sharp corners. I hope this looks okay because I am done messing around with it. I'm gonna say if the little Aldi sewing machine is all you can afford or you want it for a child to learn, maybe it's okay. I don't know what it costs, but definitely like my standard old Singer better. That was kind of frustrating, but maybe a brand new one from the store won't be messed up. Maybe there was something wrong with it because it was in the dumpster. I don't know. All right, this is not, this isn't quite as perfect as I would like, but I had a lot of trouble with some of the seams. There you go. That's basically what my new throw pillow cover looks like. Go find it a home on the sofa now. What do you think, Flash? There we go. Well, there you have it, Dumpsterinos and Frugalistas. What more can I say? The food speaks for itself. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you again soon with our next dumpster diving adventure. Until then, I hope you guys stay safe and happy and healthy. Stay in the dumpster, stay out of jail, and stay your beautiful, frugal selves. Right, Frugal Daddy?
Correct. Yes.
Correct.